Hey guys, Tim with Adrenaline HQ. Today we scoured the internet to find the most asked questions about the Mercedes Sprinter, and we're going to answer them for you. Number one, how to reset the maintenance minder or oil life reset on your Sprinter. Let's check it out. All right, today we're resetting the oil life on a 2019 to 2024 Sprinter. You're going to want to turn your ignition on with one click and then scroll over to the main mileage. So go over to your trip screen, select the main mileage. From here, you're going to press a series of buttons on the wheel. Press and hold the back arrow while pressing the center scroll pad. Just like that, you're going to get this menu to pop up. This is the low line dash, so it's the simpler version of the dash. We'll show you the high line in a moment. From here, scroll down to ASSYST Plus. Select that. Click your ignition to the second position. From here, you're going to want to select full service. Scroll down to confirm service, select the oil grade that you used when you changed the oil, and then it's going to ask you if you carried out the service. Select yes. Withdrawal not possible, you're going to want to hit confirm. Full service carried out. From there you can turn off your ignition and your maintenance minder has been reset. If you then go back to your maintenance screen, which is found under service, ASSYST Plus, you can see that your next service is due at whatever the specified interval is on your machine. Now we're going to jump over to the Highline dash. It has the color display, and this is again 2019 to 2024. Turn your ignition on to the first click, scroll to where you're at the main mileage, press and hold the back arrow, and then press the center scroll pad. This is what the menu looks like on this Highline dash. Scroll down to ASSYST Plus. Turn your ignition on to the second position, select full service, go down to confirm service, select the oil grade, service carried out, select yes, and then confirm it. Your service has been carried out. Now you can turn off your ignition and your ASSYST Plus has been reset. Hopefully this helped you out with your oil life reset. If you have any other service related questions, don't hesitate to give us a call.